Hi, this is Evan Roush here at Gym City Ford in Quincy, Illinois. Here behind me I have this 2020 Jeep Gladiator Overland. We're getting ready to do a walk around on it. Here we go. And this is the 2020 Jeep Gladiator Overland. In excellent condition. The tires on it are almost brand new. Got plenty of tread left in there. Does have a slant bed liner, and then you got some mats there. Nice tonneau cover. No exterior flaws. It is in really good condition. Taking a look at the back seats, look to be pretty well perfect. Nice speakers there. Hopping into the driver's seat. You got this nice sunshade, so if you take the top off, kind of helps keep the sunlight out and whatnot. Seats are in really good condition here. Alright, taking a look at the driver's seat. You got adaptive cruise control, regular cruise control, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Windows, gear shifter, 4x4, remote start system. Got a nice backup camera here. Memory garage door opener.